I get asked this question a lot. Teri, what do you think about illegal immigration? And I'm like, well, that is a trick question. No, it's not. They say it all the time. Well, I don't think anything illegal should be happening. Okay, that's my answer. How should immigration happen? And hi, my name is Teri. I'm running for governor in Arizona. Well, I think it should be legal. Okay. I think that we need border walls in Arizona that are complete. Finally, it's 2026, you guys, and it's still not complete. Now, open border walls doesn't just create an unsafe environment for us in Arizona, but it creates an unsafe environment for those coming over. Families by the dozens are dying in the desert every single year because traffickers are bringing them over and they're leaving them in the desert to die. It's just so horrifying. Listen, in my opinion, and what I would do as governor is I would create legal immigration. Well, there is a path to legal immigration, but I would encourage legal immigration. Border walls would be secure, yes. And there would be resources when these people came over legally. Yes, we would help them. We would help them. We would supply resources and ensure they were successful over here, right? In legal immigration. Now, I just looked up other countries to kind of get a world's eye view of other countries and how they do immigration. Let me just tell you that we're number one, and in my opinion, United States has some real loose border control issues, right? Or happening, which we know, which is everything that's happening in the United States right now with all these rioting and protesting and all this stuff, right? That's happening because we're trying to secure the borders, okay? Well, let's just take the first three countries, okay? So Germany. Germany will track your phone if you stay in the country longer than you're supposed to be, okay? That's interesting. They will find you and they will deport you, okay? Saudi Arabia and UK, you need to be on a work visa. This means that you need to provide something to their economy that is positive, i.e. you have to have some sort of skill and they vet you to come over first. And other countries are like this too, you guys. In fact, I have a cousin that's trying to go to New Zealand and she's been applying to jobs there and she's been denied for the last year because they give their jobs to their people in their country first. Strict immigration over there in New Zealand. And despite the fact that my other cousin, her sister, is there, but her husband is a doctor and they got to move to New Zealand, but he's a doctor and that is how they got to go to New Zealand. And they've been there several years and they're getting citizenship over there. True story. That's happening now. But her sister, my other cousin, is trying to get there. You guys, very strict immigration. Why does this happen? Because the economy suffers when illegal immigration is occurring with open borders. That can't happen here in Arizona, and I will fix it.